Hello my dear friends, welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound and that you're ready for another awesome paracord project. For today's project we're gonna use this blue paracord 550, also this gold one 550, the buckles and the jig. Before we start, if you want to learn how to make this beautiful paracord bracelet I'm wearing today without the buckles in a Mad Max style, make sure to check the information cards in the top right corner and the description box down below. Also, if you know who designed this bracelet, let us know in the comment down below so we can give a credit for it. So that being said, we're gonna start the full tutorial for this 4-strand bracelet core with 2 working ends. You have in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description box of this video. So that being said, I'm gonna zoom a bit so you can clearly see, and we're gonna insert our gold paracord into the base of a bracelet. So take a fit and insert it from the back through these house hitches, and then from the top again on the right side. Now take the ends of a gold strand and pull them together so you'll have the equal length on the both sides, left and right one. So when we created our bracelet core and the working ends, we're gonna start. We're gonna take the left side strand and we're gonna pass it from the top into the middle between second and the third core strand and to the side, with the right side strand also from the top into the middle and then to the side. Now we're gonna take our gold strand on the left side and we're gonna pass it under these 2 strands, then around them and from the top into the loop here. Then we're gonna pull it. Now from here we're gonna pass this strand from the back through the gap between first and the second core strand on the left side. And now we're gonna return it from the top into the gap between first and the second core strand and through. Now we're gonna do the same on the right side. So from the back, under these 2 strands, around and from the top into the loop. Now we're gonna return it from the back through the gap between first and the second core strand on the left side, and then from the top into the same gap between first and the second core strand on the right side. Now we're gonna cinch it. So from here we're gonna take the left side strand again, the blue one, and we're gonna pass it from the top into the gap between first and the second core strand on the left side. Then we're gonna take the right side blue and pass it from the top into the gap between first and the second core strand from the right side. From here we're gonna take our gold strand and we're gonna return it from the back through the middle between second and the third core strand, and from here through the loop on the left side. And we're gonna do the same with the right side strand, so under, from the back through the middle, and then from the top through the loop on the right side. So we finished our first step. Now we're gonna proceed to the second one. So take the left side blue from the top into the middle and to the side, with the right side blue, also from the top into the middle and to the side. Then with the left side gold around these two strands from the back and then from the top into the loop. Now from here we're gonna return it from the back through the gap between first and second core strand on the left side, and then from the top into the same gap and through. Now take the right side gold around from the top into the loop, and then from the back through the gap between first and second core strand on the right side, from the top through the same gap and pull it. Now we're gonna cinch it and proceed. So here we're gonna take our left side blue, pass it from the top into the gap between first and second core strand on the left side. Then with the right side blue, from the top into the gap between first and second core strand from the right side. Now take the left side gold, pass it from the back through the middle, and then from the top through the loop. Now with the right side gold also from the back through the middle, and then from the top through the loop on the right side. So we're going to take the fit and pull it through between the first and second core strand. Now with the left one. So through. Now we're going to cut off the axis of the cord. Melt them down. So here we are, our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, and see you soon. Bye!